Hi, this is a little recording of the last 12 hours or so of the Iditarod, in which Dallas Seavey really makes his move. So as we start this speeded up view of the Iditarod's awesome GPS tracker, you can see the Koyuk checkpoint is at the upper right corner, and that number 46, that's Dallas. He was the first one to leave with the fastest team and having rested the longest. And now he's being chased by number 63, Aaron Burmeister. So Aaron has been doing longer, slower runs, and he is really at this point, I think, racing for second. He might harbor hopes that he can catch Dallas, but it's going to be a very tough thing for him to do. Number 18, who is catching Aaron, is Dallas's father, Mitch, also a ex-champion. And those are the two teams that are really racing for second. So here you see Dallas's flag is turned orange in the Elim checkpoint, which means he's resting. And this is quite a luxury that he has such a big lead that he can just rest his team there until Aaron or Dallas get close. And you'll see here as Aaron pulls into the checkpoint, Dallas pulls out. And so Dallas really has a commanding lead. And Aaron is going to wait just long enough for Mitch to pull into the checkpoint. And then having that little bit of rest will hopefully give him an advantage over Mitch. They're being chased by number 3, who is Jessie Royer, and number 32, Aliy Zirkle. And so they all pull into Elim. And then Aaron is the first one out of Elim. And at this point, Dallas has about a 2.5 hour, almost 3-hour lead, which is pretty commanding, as you can see. And so you have Mitch and Aaron neck and neck, 18 and 63 there, racing along the trail to White Mountain, followed by Jessie. And Aliy has elected to rest at Elim and then take off a little bit later and hopefully have more speed later on. And here you can see Dallas has pulled into White Mountain. He's resting his team for the mandatory 8-hour, and he is in command of the race.